Welcome to Little Ummah Rhymes.
Come along, come sing with us. Ride the happy Muslim bus. Laugh and smile from stop to stop. Learning Islam never stops. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the day. The children on the bus say Assalamu Alaikum, Assalamu Alaikum, Assalamu Alaikum. The children on the bus say Assalamu Alaikum, all through the day. The little hands all wave Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Little hands all wave Alhamdulillah, all through the day. The mamas on the bus say Bismillah first, Bismillah first, Bismillah first. The mamas on the bus say Bismillah first, before we eat today. The children on the bus all share their toys, share their toys, share their toys. The children on the bus all share their toys, helping every day. The little voices softly read Qur'an words, Qur'an words. The little voices softly read, learning every day. The tiny hearts all say thank you Allah, thank you Allah, thank you Allah. The tiny hearts all say thank you Allah. Allah loves when we are kind, helping friends with heart and mind. Big bright smiles wherever we go, sharing love so all will know. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the day. Goodbye friends, we'll ride again, oh, with happy hearts until then. Alhamdulillah, loud and clear, Allah us, blessings always near.
Subscribe Little Ummah Rhymes.